Beauty Without Cruelty, Hydrating Aloe Mask, 2 ounces, 56 grams. Product Overview Description: Cruelty-free since 1963 premium aromatherapy intensely moisturizes vegan Leaping Bunny certified paraben-free pH balance never tested on animals no animal ingredients. BWC Hydrating Aloe Mask deeply moisturizes and replenishes your skin. Nature's own aloe vera and plant restore, balance, and hydrate. Pure premium, Oshadhi aromatherapeutic essential oils tone, soothe and revitalize. Used generally to reduce skin dehydration and promote a smoother, softer complexion. Benefits all skin types, especially mature and sun-damaged. Suggested use: apply moderate amount to freshly cleansed skin. Avoid eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and follow with a cool water splash. Gently pat dry. Other ingredients: aqua, purified water, aloe barbadensis, aloe vera, leaf juice, decolorized, caprylic/capric triglyceride, glycerin, vegetable, glycerol stearate, sorbitan stearate, cetyl alcohol, helianthus annuus, sunflower, oil, Simonsia chinensis, jojoba, seed oil, rosa canina, rose, fruit oil, Levangula angustifolia, lavender, oil, Chamomilla recitata, matricaria, oil, Boswellia carterii, frankincense, oil, Levangula hybrida, lavandin, oil, Cucumis sativus, cucumber, fruit extract, Calendula officinalis extract, Anthemus nobilis, chamomile, flower extract, Levangula angustifolia, lavender, extract, sodium PCA, allantoin, panthenol, tocopherol acetate, magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, hyaluronic acid, avena sativa, oat, kernel protein, xanthan gum, phenoxyethanol, ethylhexylglycerin. Organic 22% organic content. Warnings: for external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.